Good afternoon, friends. Now we'll go ahead with our chapter, the Earth in our solar system. So we had seen in our previous video that what are stars and what are constellations. So stars are the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. They are very hot and very large. Sun is a star. Also we had seen constellations, the group of stars which form a figure or a kind of picture. So that kind of formation of stars is called as constellation. We had seen about Ursa Major or the Big Bear, and also we had seen Saptarishi. And one star we had seen, that was Pole Star. Now going ahead we'll see what are planets. So some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. Like Earth does not have its own heat and light. Moon does not have its own heat and light. So they are not stars. So the celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light, they get heat and light from the different stars. So we get or Earth gets light from Sun, which is the nearest star to us. So such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers, because Earth wanders or it roams around it revolves around the Sun. So we call it planets. Earth gets all its heat and light from the Sun, which is our nearest star. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite, because anything which revolves around the Sun is a planet, and anything which revolves around a planet is called a satellite. It's quite simple, I think. So like our Earth, there are 8 other planets that get heat and light from the Sun, and some of them have their own moons too. Like Earth has its moon, other planets also have their moons. How many we'll see in our further slides. So now coming to the point, solar system, what do you mean by solar system? The Sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids. This is you don't have to go much into detail about these things. You'll see there are some inner planets, outer planets, then we have asteroids. We'll come in the next slide. So the 8 planets, its satellites, some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family. These 8 planets, their satellites, and Sun is called as the solar family, and Sun will be the head of it. We often call it a solar family with the Sun as its head. Now we'll try to see how does a solar system look like. So this is our solar system. You can see Sun. We have Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Total 8 planets. You should remember this sequentially. First is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Quite simple. Okay? Very. Now we'll see certain details about these things. You can see here it is given Jupiter 778, Neptune 1427. What it is will come in the next slide. We'll try to see the different the features of these planets, how far they are, how many moons they have, how much time they take to cover the whole to revolve around the Sun. All these things will go one by one. So next you can see first one is Mercury. Mercury, one orbit around Sun or one revolution, it takes 88 days. It takes total 88 days because it's very near to them. Then Venus, then one spin on the axis. Now these are 2 kind of motions. Suppose this is Sun and a planet revolves around it. It is called as revolution. So in one orbit, that takes 88 days for the Mercury. Also, these planets rotate on the same axis. Because what happens, you know this, you should have learned this in the class 6th class 4th and 5th. Rotation means when the Earth moves around its own axis. It is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Suppose this is Earth, it is rotating. This is Sun. So this part is getting the light, day is here. Then it will rotate. Now this part will get day. It will become, this side will be dark, it will be night. So rotating on or moving on the same axis is called as rotation. Fine. And orbiting around the Sun is called as revolution. So one orbit around Sun takes 88 days for Mercury, whereas it spins within 59 days. It takes a lot of time to spin. It spins very slowly. How much Earth take to spin? 24 hours or 1 day we can say. It take 59 days. So their means our 1 day is their 59 days. Okay. Venus, it takes 255 days to totally revolve around the sun, and it takes 243 days to rotate on the same axis. So they move very slowly on the same axis. Then we have one orbit around sun for Earth is 365 days because it makes a whole year, and on the place it moves in 24 hours, that is 1 day. Number of moons, one moon is there for Earth. Mars, one orbit around sun, it takes 687 days because the more you go away from the sun, the large area you have to cover. So it is 687 days. One spin on axis is 1 day. When the spin on the axis, it's 1 day. Same like Earth. In 24 hours, it will totally one rotation will complete. Number of moons, 2. Like we see one moon, they can see, if there is life, they can see 2 moons. Though life is not there, but if you see, there are 2 moons for Mars. And these planets, which is the last line, they are called inner planets. Very close to the sun. They are made up of rocks. These are all made up of rocks and gases. And they are called as inner planets, first 4 planets. Next 4 outer planets. So fifth one is Jupiter, one orbit around sun, 11 years it takes. 11 years and 11 months. About 12 years. Because 11 months means almost 1 year. 12 months make a year. So 11 months, 11 years. So it takes 11 years to full rotation. So if we stay on Jupiter, then it will take 11 years for us to complete 1 year, 1 season. Now Saturn, and what else? It takes one spin on the axis, 9 hours 56 minutes. So it means it rotates much in much speed than compared to Earth, because Earth takes 24 hours, but Jupiter takes only 9 hours and 56 minutes. Number of moons, 16 moons are there. 16 moons for Jupiter. Saturn, it takes 29 years, 5 months to totally one orbiting or one revolution. It spins in 10 hours 40 minutes. The spinning is 10 hours 40 minutes. It has about 18 moons. You think in the night it will be total 18 moons you can see if you are in Saturn. Uranus, 84 years, one complete revolution, and 17 hours 14 minutes for one complete rotation on the axis. And number of moons, they have about 17. Now the last one, that is Neptune, one orbit around sun takes 164 years. The more you go outside, it will take more time because it will cover more distance. One spin, 16 hours 7 minutes. Number of moons, 8. So these are called what? Outer planets. Inner planets and outer planets. So they are very, very far from the sun and are large planets made of gases and liquids. They don't have much of rocks. They have only gases and liquids. Fine. So this was all about the solar system. Now we'll go ahead with the next topic in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.